Students commonly see the ed at the end of past verbs and think, I have to pronounce it as id. But did you know that id is actually the least common pronunciation, and there are 3 in total? So we only pronounce ed as id if the verb itself ends in t or d. So if you think of need becomes needed, or want becomes wanted. If the verb ends in a soft or unvoiced sound, we pronounce it as t. So if you think kiss becomes kissed. If the verb ends in a hard sound or a voiced sound, then we would pronounce it as a d. So if you think of something like live becomes lived, or buzz becomes buzzed.